Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best central vacuum that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the replacement white central vacuum inlet valves. The central vacuum inlet valve for Beam Central Vac, designed by Replacement, is one of the highly rated products on the market. It's not only affordable, but has also garnered significant positive feedback from the customers. Its low voltage consumption makes it very suitable for hoses with low voltage connections. One of the primary features that customers liked about the product was its affordability. Most of the customers who have purchased it agreed that it costs almost half the price of other comparable products. Furthermore, its easy affordability does not hamper its quality, which has been greatly appreciated by the customers. It is also very easy to install in a regular household. If you are planning to replace your old central vac, you need not worry about hiring any professional to do the job with this product. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ZVac Central Vacuum Wall Plate Inlet. The Central Vacuum Wall Plate Inlet by ZVac is known for its universality and can be a great fit for your central vacuum system. The quality and easy installation process of the product make up for its higher price as compared to the central vacuum wall inlets manufactured by Replacement. The most likable feature of the product is its ability to replace any known as well as unknown brand outlets. It fits a wide range of well-known central vacuums, including Eureka, Hayden, NuTone, Electrolux, Honeywell, and many more. Along with its good fit, the easy installation and high quality of the product have ensured its popularity among the customers. Its low voltage connections have made it fit for hoses with low voltage connections built in. Moreover, the product has a very clean and modern look, which makes it even more attractive to customers. It can provide a clean look to your household by replacing switches, outlets, and covers, thus adding to your home's aesthetic appeal. At number 3, we have the Hayden 1700-01 Central Vacuum Wall Inlets. This central vacuum wall inlet from Hayden comes in packs of 1, 6, and 12. Like its competitors, the product has a low voltage inlet valve and is more suited for square doors. Thus, it lacks the universality of ZVac wall inlets, but offers other benefits of its own. The product is affordable and available in various value packs, which is highly cost-effective for the customers. It works well as an effective, low-voltage wall inlet replacement with square doors for any central vacuum. At number 2, we have the NuTone CI 358 Central Vacuum Direct Connect Electrified Inlet. The electrified wall inlets manufactured by NuTone can work with any NuTone central vacuum system that fits the hose size. However, it works only with a low voltage outlet that is lower than 120 volts. We also noticed that the product has a better fit with the newer central vacuum models as compared to older ones. The customers have greatly applauded the easy install feature of this product. Furthermore, it has proved to be a good fit for new and existing central vacuum systems in most households. Along with being a good fit, it is extremely easy to install without much hassle. It is also available to customers at an affordable price as compared to its competitor products. Further, these electrified wall inlets are manufactured by using rigid PVCUL to maintain quality standards. No wonder then that the brand provides customers with a warranty period of 1 year. And finally, at number 1, we have the Eureka AXAY-A-BHI 102507 Standard Inlet Valve Plate. The prime attraction of the product is its highly durable plastic body, which makes it extremely lightweight. Furthermore, it has 2 low-voltage connections that help to connect the central vacuum system with the voltage outlet. The plastic used for manufacturing the valve inlets is of high quality and works well with the valve cover. It is easy to install, which makes it even more desirable to the customers. Since these products have a sturdy gasket that prevents leakage of air, it increases the efficiency of central vacuum systems. Moreover, the different value packs of the valve inlets also provide customers with the option to buy a number of plates at an affordable price. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!